Yeah. I got him in here cooking tonight after he worked 12 hours. See, this is what you need to do when you come home from work, just like I do every other night, okay? I know he's going to say, well, you should be cooking every night because I pay the bills. But guess what? Guess what, buddy? That's not how it's going to work around here. You're going to put in some extra work when you get home.
Well, why don't you go to fucking there while I'm doing this?
Because I need to make sure you're doing it correctly. What are you talking about? Don't try to push me out of my kitchen.
Yeah, well, you don't need to be up in my space while I'm fucking cooking.
I'm not in your space. I'm just monitoring the situation. I'm making sure you're doing what you're supposed to do. And when you're done, you're going to clean all those dishes in that sink. Because they're not going to do themselves. And I damn sure ain't going to do them. Not after the day that I had staying home all day. I'm stressed out. So after your little 10-hour shift, what was it? 12? I think it was 12 hours. But after your little shift, you're going to do those dishes. And you're going to serve me dinner, too. It don't even look very good.
Guys, I'm speechless. I'm speechless, guys. First of all, I just want to commend this man right here for having the most emotional control I've ever seen. Guys, I want you to really understand what's going on right here. So he has his wife that's disrespecting him. He worked a 12-hour shift, tired as hell. I've worked 12, 13, 14-hour days before. And you ain't trying to cook a motherfucking thing when you get home. If anything, you're going to throw some shit in the microwave and get that shit done with, or you're going to pick something up. But you're not about to cook no full course meal after you just worked a 12-hour shift. That ain't about to happen. You ain't got the energy, you ain't got the time. So he got to do this. He don't have to, but he's choosing to do it because he want to stay in this marriage and please his wife, unfortunately. But she's disrespecting him, and not only is she disrespecting him, but she's recording him with the disrespect. I mean, that is insane. And then she told him, not only are you going to cook the dinner, but you're going to wash the dishes as well. Guys, I would have went berserk. Excuse me. Especially since this woman is a stay-at-home wife. The level of entitlement, the level of guys, this is something that I would never deal with. And it's astonishing to me that a lot of you guys, some of you guys are still dealing with this stuff. This is absolute. I would never deal with this on no planet whatsoever. So let me get this straight. I got to work. I got to make $1 million, become a 5-star chef. And then I got to wash the dishes. I got to blow your back out. I got to pay the bills. Like, what the hell do you do? You don't work. You stay at home. So, anyways, guys, we're going to go back and react to this. Got something fucking stuck in my mouth. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. And let's get back into this, man. This is absolutely insane. You guys comment what you think below. The Cash App is right here if you guys want to donate. Whatever's worth to you. Let's get right back into this, man.
Yeah. I got him in here cooking tonight.
Yeah. You know what she sounds like? She sounds like a slave master. That's what she sounds like. Making her slave do something. Am I wrong? I guess to a certain extent. If you get into a marriage with the wrong woman, I guess you are a slave as a man, right? She's whipping you. Otherwise, if you leave the marriage, you're going to lose everything.
After he worked 12 hours, see? This is what you need.
Look at his face, bruh. He is exhausted, bruh. He like, bruh, I'm barely awake right now. He probably had to drive 30 minutes to work and 30 minutes home. So he commuted a whole hour to and from work. Probably did some blue collar work, which means what? He had to do some heavy lifting. He tired, don't want to think, and he got this nagging ass woman behind him recording him, disrespecting him. This is insane, guys.
You need to do when you come home from work, just like I do every other night, okay? I know he's gonna say, well, you should be cooking every night because I pay the bills, but guess what?
Yeah, you said you should. You should. But since this is the nobleness of men, even though he knows his ass should not be cooking, he gonna cook because he loves his wife. Even though she's disrespecting him and she's being loud and obnoxious and nagging. Utter ridiculousness.
Guess what, buddy? That's not how it's gonna work around here. You're gonna put in some extra work when you get home.
And put in some extra work. Why the fuck? See, why would I get with a woman if it's more work? You're supposed to make my life easier, more peaceful, not make this shit harder. I don't understand what you guys are putting up with. This is something I never deal with. I would leave her immediately, but he can. He don't want to lose his assets, but fuck it. I mean, what's your peace of mind worth?
Well, why don't you go to fucking there while I'm doing this?
Yeah, see, he almost snapped a little bit. You see what I'm saying? He snapped a little bit. He wanted to do a whole lot more, but he just couldn't take it. He had to snap a little bit. He couldn't snap all the way, but he snapped a little bit.
Because I need to make sure you're doing it correctly. What are you talking?
Doing it correctly. Hold on, we're gonna get to that in a second.
Talking about? Don't try to push me out of my kitchen.
If it's your kitchen, then cook the damn food. If it's your kitchen to make sure he does it right, then you should be cooking the food. If you think he don't know what he's doing, why aren't you cooking the food?
Yeah, well, you don't need to be up in my space while I'm fucking cooking.
Yeah, she is up in his space, recording him, talking crazy to him, and then she's gonna post this on the internet for everybody on the internet to make fun of him. Guys, the level of disrespect in this damn video, I'd be divorcing her tomorrow.
I'm not in your space. I'm just monitoring the situation. I'm making sure you're doing what you're supposed to do. And
doing what he's supposed to do. What the hell is she? What is she, a micromanager? You guys see what I'm saying? Like, she's the slave master, he's the slave, the overseer. This is absolutely insane, guys. I can't believe this, what I'm watching right now.
when you're done, you're gonna clean all those dishes in that sink. Because they're not gonna do themselves, and I damn sure ain't gonna do them. Not after the day that I had staying home all day. I'm stressed out.
God, please. She really stressed out about staying home all day. She didn't have to deal with no coworkers, no BS outside, no bad managers, no bad customers. All she had to deal with was being at home with her children that she should love dearly. Taking care of, like, this is what I mean when women, what do they bring to the table? They're lazy, right? He don't have an asset. He has a liability.
Out. So after your little 10-hour shift, what was it? 12? I think it was 12 hours. But after your little shift, you're gonna.
She called it a little shift, as if she can work 12 hours a day. Guys, ooh, Lord Jesus. The level of disrespect, and I don't know if this dude is still with this woman right now. I'm gonna ask you to your face, bruh. What are you doing? Bruh, leave, bruh. What are you doing, bruh? You can make the materialistic stuff back. You can get into the house, you make some more money. Leave that woman, bruh. I cannot believe this, bruh. But anyways.
Do those dishes, and you're gonna serve me dinner too. It don't even look very good.
The matter. I'm gonna just say this, and I'm gonna get off the stream. I'm gonna get off the video. If this would have been Sean Connery and them men's generation, Boy, she would have got. And we're gonna leave it at that. So this is my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you like to share the video, like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.